The mass media has a valuable place in the protecting the achievements of the state independence, implementing the strategic goals of the government of the Republic of Tajikistan, reflecting economic, social, and cultural achievements, increasing the country's prestige in the world arena. The TV channel Tourism Photographs has this mission, as well as other mass media, and its creators aim to inform the population of the country with important news and reports, tourist and crafts programs, and to involve the various layers of the society in the development of photographs in the country. They are constantly trying to strengthen the development of the tourists and attract more foreign tourists to the country. In this context, the Department of Information Programs is a part of the institution's departments, and in the conditions of changes in a modern world, interesting and colorful tourist destination, from the problems and prospects of the state of the crafts and tourists to achievements and success of the industry are the main topics of its activity, constantly providing necessary news and reports through the information program Payom. In 2023, in order to cover the events of the international level, Republican contests, along with working visits from foreign countries in connection with the presentation of the tourist opportunities of Tajikistan, the Information Department has constantly broadcast reports on television in a direct and indirect form.
برای انعکاس این چهاربینی 500 نفر نمایندگان وسایتی اخباری омма به تاجیکستان آمدند.
Today, Dushanbe hosts the 5th consultative meeting of the head of states of the Central Asia.
At the same time, it should be emphasized that the publication of the information program Payom is broadcast daily in 3 languages: Tajik, Russian, and English.
салом бинандагони гиромӣ, нашри муфассали барномаи иттилооти Паём аст аз телевизиони Саёҳи ва ҳунарҳои мардумӣ.
С 26 по 29 декабря в комплексе «Манеж» в Душанбе пройдет национальная выставка товаров и продуктов Исламской Республики Иран.
The International Scientific and Practical Conference Education Development Trends in the Information Society, dedicated to the 75th anniversary of the establishment of this Center of Science and Education, was held at the National University of Tajikistan.
The reporters of this office consider providing timely information and reports for their viewers as a primary task and strive to ensure that the audience is provided with a necessary information.
این جشن بار دیگر امروز مردمی تاجیک را زیر این لیواهای پرافشان با هم متحد ساخت.
Also during the year, reporters and editors discussed the implementation of the handicrafts development program for 2021 and 2025 and towards development strategy in the Republic of Tajikistan for the period up to 2030. Activity on television definitely requires joint work, that is, along with the editors, the technical staff of the board collectively make a significant contribution to the development of the information program every day. The Department of Regional Correspondence has carried out its activities on the basis of the regulation of the institution and has completed significant work during this period. In 2023, more than 604 news and reports and 151 programs on the state of tourism and crafts in the regions of the country were presented by the Regional Correspondence Department. Another tab that is pleasant to the board members and viewers is the use of the recording studio for the information program Payom of TV channel Tourism Photographs. The Department of Information program of TV channel Tourism Photographs will continue its activity, and its staff will use their knowledge, creativity, and intelligence to strengthen the information of the country, reflect the best tourist destination, develop domestic tourist, historical places, and news.